Stridor is the characteristic feature of upper airway obstruction. Stridor is a continuous sound heard on auscultation, with or without a stethoscope, that is loudest over the mouth, neck, and upper trachea. It sounds like a wheezing, and acoustic analysis shows that stridor is quite similar to wheezing. The major distinguishing feature is that stridor tends to have an inspiratory predominance. The use of accessory muscles of respiration and the retraction of the supraclavicular fossa with inspiration are often observed. Careful inspection of the mouth for evidence of aspiration of food or a foreign body is important. Examination of the neck for masses, scars, and tracheal deviation is also important. The skin should be surveyed for hives, as they may provide a clue to the presence of angioneurotic edema of the glottis, an important cause of upper airway obstruction. Stridor heard immediately after extubation may indicate the need for reintubation.